Bacchanal dancing. Forms break up in the bacchanal dance of life. When I cease to know right from wrong, I cease to worry. Then people worried on my behalf, thinking that I was mad. But I rejoiced. Drunk as a sailor on liquor or life, what did it matter? I lived. And the blaming eyes that followed me, embarrassed on my behalf, were not mine. They mourned for me while I rejoiced for myself. Now tell me, which of us was the smartest? Hear me, ye people of sighing, the sorrows of pain and regret are left to the dead and the dying, the folk that not know me as yet. Alas, Aphorism on the Path by Bjarne Salling Petersen and Annette Dahl.